Imagine standing inside a busy airport. Aircraft are taking off every few minutes. Pilots are preparing for departure. Cabin crew are welcoming passengers. Engineers are inspecting aircraft. In part 1, we explore these exciting careers. But now comes the most important question. How do you actually become one of them? Let's begin. One of the biggest misconceptions about aviation is that everyone follows the same path. That's simply not true. The aviation industry welcomes students from different educational backgrounds, depending on the career they choose. Some careers require physics and mathematics. Others focus more on communication skills, customer service, management, engineering, or logistics. This means your first step isn't choosing a course, it's choosing a career. Once you know where you want to go, selecting the right educational pathway becomes much easier. Let's look at the different entry points. If you have completed Class 10, this is the stage where you should start planning rather than rushing into expensive courses. The subjects you choose for higher secondary education can influence the careers available to you later. Students interested in becoming pilots or aircraft maintenance engineers should generally consider either taking physics and mathematics in Class 11 and 12. Students who are interested in airport operations, customer service, logistics, or management have greater flexibility in choosing their academic stream. This is also a great time to improve your English communication, computer skills, and general awareness about the aviation industry. The stronger your foundation now, the easier your journey later. Once you complete Class 12, the opportunities expand significantly. If your goal is to become a commercial pilot, you'll generally need to meet the educational and medical requirements before beginning flight training. Students interested in becoming cabin crew should develop strong communication skills and a customer-focused attitude. Students interested in aircraft maintenance engineering should look for recognized training institutes and understand the licensing pathway before enrolling. If airport management interests you, degree programs in aviation management, business administration, or related fields can provide a strong foundation. For careers in cargo and logistics, courses in logistics, supply chain management, or aviation operations can open many opportunities. Different careers require different qualifications, so always check the latest eligibility requirements from the relevant authorities or employers before making a decision. Qualifications help you enter the aviation industry, but skills are what help you build a successful and long-lasting career. Employers value professionals who can communicate clearly, solve problems efficiently, work effectively as part of a team, and remain calm under pressure, especially in fast-paced environments. Strong English communication is particularly important because aviation is a global industry where people from different countries and cultures work together every day. In addition, computer literacy, professionalism, time management, and a willingness to keep learning are essential skills in almost every aviation role. It's also important to remember that different careers require different strengths. Technical roles demand accuracy, attention to detail, and precision, while customer-facing positions require empathy, confidence, and excellent interpersonal skills. Leadership roles, on the other hand, call for planning, sound decision-making, and the ability to guide and support others. By developing these skills early, you'll be better prepared for future opportunities and gain a valuable advantage throughout your aviation career. Selecting the right training institute is one of the most important decisions you'll make in your aviation journey. Don't choose a college simply because of attractive advertisements, impressive brochures, or promises of guaranteed jobs. Before enrolling, take the time to verify whether the institute is recognized by the appropriate regulatory authority and has a good reputation within the aviation industry. Carefully review the curriculum, the quality of training facilities, the experience of the instructors, and the placement support offered to students. If possible, speak with current students or alumni to learn about their real experiences and gain a better understanding of the institute's strengths and challenges. Spending a little extra time researching today can help you avoid costly mistakes and make a more informed decision. Remember, your education is an investment in your future, so choose an institute that provides quality training, genuine opportunities, and a strong foundation for your aviation career. Many students make avoidable mistakes when planning an aviation career. Some choose a course without first understanding the job role, while others overlook eligibility requirements until it's too late. It's important to research each career carefully before making any decisions, so you know what qualifications, skills, and responsibilities are involved. Another common mistake is focusing only on salary without considering whether the career matches your interests, strengths, and long term goals. Remember that success in aviation depends on much more than technical knowledge. Strong communication skills, professionalism, a positive attitude, and a commitment to continuous learning are equally important for building a successful career. By taking the time to make informed decisions today, you can avoid costly mistakes and create a strong foundation for a rewarding aviation career that lasts for decades. Building a career in aviation isn't about finding the fastest route, it's about choosing the right one. Take the time to understand the career that matches your interests, learn the eligibility requirements, develop the necessary skills, and select a recognized educational pathway. The aviation industry offers opportunities for people with many different talents. And your journey begins with informed decisions and consistent preparation. In the next part of this series, we'll explore salaries, career growth, work-life balance, and future opportunities across different aviation careers to help you make even more informed choices. If this video helped you understand the aviation career pathway, please share it with someone who's planning their future and subscribe to Techno Corporators for trustworthy, beginner-friendly career guidance. Right guidance. Bright future.